backup and restore process through EPC. Create an EPC project and add panel server. Then connect to device. To start, click on Backup/Restore section. Set up as needed, enter a label and a password following the parameters. Setting a password is highly recommended but not mandatory. To save the backup with a password, mark the box. Read carefully all the notifications before continuing. Save generated file. Now, let's restore the device with the generated configuration. Click on Select File and select our backup file. Once the file is uploaded, more information is displayed: date, label, model, code, and range. If everything is correct, click Restore to continue procedure. Read carefully all the notifications before continuing. Enter the corresponding password and click OK to decrypt file. Then, Restore starts. Connection will be lost, and the session will be closed. When finished, log in again to the device inside EPC. And the date the panel server was restored is shown here.